Blue Suit Reviews coming at you with another video of what it do, baby. I'm gonna start speaking to y'all in my native Texas tongue, because that's how the people talk in Texas. Yeah, we country. Don't judge me. Anyway, my last video, I know I said that the weekend was gonna be crazy, and it was. Real crazy. I only managed to make it to 2 events, but the 2 events were enough. I appreciate the car club gods for making the weekend go great, having great weather, because it did look like it was gonna rain. On Thursday, it was like overcast all day. Friday looked a little suspect, but then Saturday it just opened up and everything was amazing. Before we get to the videos, I gotta tell you a story time. The definition of stupid, or just dumb. There was a pile of rubber, burnt rubber, from all the burnouts, all the amazing burnouts, and you're gonna see those pretty soon. So I'm walking through the rubber, trying to get the best shots, I'm scrambling all through the rubber, getting rubber on the bottom of my shoes. Didn't think anything of it. Came home, took my shoes off, and the whole time I'm walking, I'm sticking to everything. I'm just sticking to everything because I got brand new tires on my shoe. So I get home, I take my shoes off, and I go to take some of the rubber off my shoes, grabbed a big chunk of rubber, and in the middle of it was a nice piece of steel belt. That piece of wire went right in my finger, and that crap hurt like I don't know what. So lesson learned with that. Dumb moment of the day. If you have rubber on the bottom of your shoe or anywhere on you from a burnout, probably don't pick it off with your hands. Like, just shake it off with something. Maybe slap the shoe on the ground. Maybe even grab something and scrape it off. That's not your finger. But just don't do what I did, because that was real stupid. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, share the video. Like the video if you like the video. And yeah, enjoy. That's it for this video. Share, like, subscribe, and if you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can see when the new videos are coming out. I got so much more that I'm trying to do. My mod series is coming up, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to do the mod series. I'm going to just have to throw it in there. Blue Suit Reviews. Till I see you again.